Paper. Let me complete all this. I am coming back to you. I am telling I am coming back to you. Papers to be laid on the table. Shriman Nityanand Rai.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यावली के क्रमांक
Nothing will go on record except
मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान PL वर्मा जी,
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय,
I am coming back to you. Please take your seat. Honorable, please take your seat. I am coming back to you. Please.
आपकी अनुमति से आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्य सूची के क्रम
श्रीमान PL वर्मा जी,
अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित पत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान बंडी संजय कुमार जी,
मैं आज की पुनर्निश्चित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1C पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख के लिए दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान सुगंध मजूमदार जी,
Chairman sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number D in today's revised list of business.
श्रीमान हर्ष मल्होत्रा जी,
Honorable Chairman sir, with your permission, I rise to lay papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1E of the revised list of business. Thank you.
messages from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that Lok Sabha at its sitting held on 21st July 2026 adopted the following three motions recommending to the Rajya Sabha that Rajya Sabha do agree: 1. To nominate one member from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Accounts for the unexpired portion of the term of the committee, Vice Shri Shukhendu Shekhar Rai, resigned from Rajya Sabha with effect from 8th June 2026. 2. To nominate one member from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Undertakings for the unexpired portion of the term of the committee, Vice Shri Devashish Samant Rai, resigned from Rajya Sabha with effect from 25th May 2026. And 3. To elect 10 members amongst the members from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes for the term of 1 year beginning from the date of the first sitting of the committee, and do communicate to the Lok Sabha the names of members so nominated or elected by the Rajya Sabha.
Reports of the Public Accounts Committee, Shriman Akhilesh Prasad Singh ji.
Versions of 48th, 49th, 58th and 51st reports of the Public Accounts Committee 2026-27 as listed against my name in today's list of business at serial number 2.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel, Shriman Anil Kumar Yadav Mandadi ji.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in Hindi and English of 24th, 25th and 26th reports of department related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Statement by Minister. Statement by Minister Professor S.P. Singh Baghel ji.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित सूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के आगे प्रपत्र जो वक्तव्य है सूचीबद्ध वो सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Motion for elections of members of Rajya Sabha to the Committee on Official Language, Shriman Nityanand Rai ji, to move a motion for election of 5 members to the Committee on Official Language.
सभापति महोदय, मैं माननीय गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी की ओर से प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि राज्यसभा अधिनियम 1963 का 19 की धारा 4 की उपधारा 2 के अनुसरण में यह सभा उस रीति से जैसा कि सभापति महोदय निर्देश दे राज्यसभा समिति में विद्यमान रिक्तियों को भरने के लिए सभा के सदस्यों में से 5 सदस्यों को उक्त समिति का सदस्य होने के लिए निर्वाचित करने की कार्यवाही करें।
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted.
सर, रूल
I am coming back to you.
के तहत हमने ये सवाल उठाया है कि सोमवार को छात्रों के खिलाफ जिस तरह लाठीचार्ज और हिंसा की गई है, उससे मेरा मन लाठीचार्ज अत्यंत
The House will meet